Estate planning can be difficult as you try and figure out who gets what and how much, especially when you're going through paperwork like this with all of the options, which raises the question, is this something you can do yourself or do you need to hire a lawyer?
I think anyone in California that has any kind of assets needs some estate planning. So it doesn't need to be that complicated.
After nearly 30 years working as an estate planning attorney, Doreen Arinia says she's seen a lot when it comes to people's property after they pass away. Some created a will while others made little preparation for the future.
At a minimum, somebody can just grab a piece of paper and say who they want to receive their assets when they die.
Others hired an attorney to draft a trust with in-depth documentation.
Maybe you don't want all your assets to go to your kid when they turn 18. Let's push it out a little further, maybe. Maybe bump it to 25 or 30 when they're a little more mature.
Doreen says the amount of preparation could mean the difference between getting stuck in court for years to a quick release and distribution of a loved one's property. In California, there are automatic designations put in place for those who don't have a will but have property.
It's spouse, children, grandchildren, and if none of those exist, it goes back up again. So if you still have living parents, it's going to be them. If not them, it's going to be your siblings and so on.
But Doreen warns that can get complicated and it can take a while to settle. She suggests hiring an estate lawyer, which will cost you around $3,000 to $5,000. If you choose to go the online route, there are forms you can download for free and fill out yourself. Or you can use an online program, which goes for a little over $100 to $600 per will. Though it may seem cheaper, Doreen says it may not always be the best option that will hold up in court.
The language isn't that clear. And so when the language isn't that clear, you can have the people that are inheriting things from you fighting over that document because they want that money.
Marie Cornell, ABC 10 News.